Hello, greetings. Welcome to today's class. Today's date is Friday the 9th of October 2020. This is video 2 of the present simple tense. We use the present simple to talk about action which is regular, true or normal. We use the present simple tense for repeated or the regular actions in the present time period. I always travel to college by car. Daily routines or habits. These are things which you do on a regular basis. Here are some examples. Eat breakfast, have a shower, brush teeth, watch TV, eat lunch, eat dinner, walk in the morning, go to college, ride my bicycle. So these are habits. I get up early in the morning. Kaleem brushes his teeth twice a day. For things that are always or generally true. I live in Qatar. I live in Manchester. I live in Blackburn. I live in Bradford. I live in Leeds. They speak English at work. We speak Arabic at home. The spelling for a verb in the third person differs depending on the ending of that verb. So remember class, we looked at this in the first video. Verbs that end in the letters O, CH, SH, SS, SX or Z, we add ES in the third person. So the word go is spelled G-O. The last letter is O, so we must add the letters ES, so it becomes goes. Have a look at the list of the next words. Have a look at these words and see if you can spot what I've done to the words. So catch ends in the letters CH, so we must add ES. Wash ends in SH. Hiss ends in SS. Bus ends in S. And fix ends in X. So we must make the changes there, which is simply to add the letters ES. So go, goes. Catch, catches. Wash, washes. Hiss, hisses. Bus, buses. Fix, fixes. And buzz, buzzes. Have a go at saying these words, please. Remember, we looked at this in the first video again. So verbs that end in a consonant plus Y, we change the Y into an I and add ES. So this word here, marry, it ends in the letter Y and the letter before the Y is an R, so it ends in a consonant plus Y. So if it's a consonant and then ends in Y, we must change the Y into an I and then add the letters ES. So marry, marries. Have a look at these words, please, class, and see if you can spot the rule. Study, studies. Carry, carries. Worry, worries. All of these words on the left-hand side, marry, study, carry, and worry, they end in a consonant and a Y. So that's when we must follow the rule there of changing the Y to an I and adding the letters ES. For verbs that end in a vowel plus a Y, we just add S. So the word play is spelled P-L-A-Y. A is a vowel and Y. So we can see the rule there that we must simply add an S. So play becomes plays. Enjoy, enjoys. Say, says. So what I want you to do, class, is have a look at these sentences here. The word in the brackets, you must do something to that word so that the sentence is correct. I'll do number 1 for you as an example. So it says Ahmed go to college every day. That is incorrect. So we must do something to this word go. we must add the letters ES. So then it will read Ahmed goes to college every day. So please correct all of these sentences. Now for this exercise class, we have to tick in the box on the right hand side either true or false. True means correct, false means incorrect, wrong. Here is an example. He goes to school every day. This is false, so we tick the false box. Please do the same for all of these questions. Okay, class, so if you have any questions, please ask me in Teams. You can always give me a call. And until next time, thanks for watching.